Welcome to the Dankamous channel. Today we're gonna go through a bunch of cars I bought from a lot. I think a lot of them are treasure hunts. All right. All right, let's get into it. First up, since it's already unwrapped, we got custom 53 Chevy. I think it's cool. It's got the clear hood. Hot Wheels treasure hunt. Plastic wheels, metal base. Sweet flames. Pretty sweet. Alright, next up, what do we got? We got them all wrapped up. Let's check it out. We got the muscle tone. It's got the rear rubber wheels, gold, yellow interior, treasure hunt, 2003. Pretty cool. The muscle tone. And next up, we got. What do we got? We got RV. We got a GMC Motorhome. This one's cool. Got the tandem back wheels. Got some interior detail. What does it say? Treasure hunting. This one's pretty cool. I like this one. Pretty sweet. Pretty neat. Alright, what else we got? Next up, we have this. This one's called the Mega Thrust. Okay. Interesting. It's supposed to be sideways like that? I guess it is. It's like a whistle or something. You blow into it and it spins. Oh yeah, he put the mouth on the front. Not doing that, but alright. I gotcha. Pretty cool. We got next up. '58 Corvette. There's the base, rubber wheels. Taking the rubber wheels. Chrome interior, blue windgrass. Hood opens. Blue. 10th anniversary Hot Wheels. Pretty sweet. And next up, what do we got? Ooh, this one's cool. West Coast Customs. The 1959 Dorado. Look at them wheels. Oh, that's pretty sick. West Coast Customs Dorado. This thing's sweet. This thing is long, dude. Look at this thing. That's compared to the motorhome. It's longer than the motorhome. Dude. That's cool. Alright. Next up we got GTO. Sick. 2000 treasure hunt. Pretty sweet. Cool rubber wheels. Gold base. Sick. Pretty sweet. Got a 59 Impala. Gold body. Pretty cool. So sweet. Always dig the 59 Impala. Yeah. And it's pretty sweet. Alright, next up we got... What is this? The Drift King. Alright. That crazy motor. It's pretty cool. Alright, next up we got... Sick. The Plymouth Fury. Plastic wheels. Treasure hunt. Pretty sweet. Cool white interior. Plymouth. Plymouth Fury. This one's sick. Alright, and then next up, what do we got? What do we got? Mustang. There's the base, 2005 Mustang GT. Pretty sick. Pretty cool. Alright, and next up we got... What do we got? Ford GT40. Rubber wheels. Gold. A 2000 treasure hunt. Pretty cool. Pretty cool, pretty cool. Sick. Sick. And next up we got... What do we got? What do we got? Alright, this one's weird. We got double vision. Double. Motor's cool. Double vision. Does got rubber wheels. Those are cool. Sick. Neat. Alright, and then last out of the bucket. What do we got? What do we got? Hemi Cuda. T-Hunt on the door. Cuda. Plastic wheels. Pretty sick. Scoop. Treasure Hunt 2003. Pretty sick. It is pretty neat. Pretty sick. Alright, there's quite cool pickups. What is your favorite out of the set? This Dorado is cool. How long it is. Really dug in. The Fury. Just the orange looks good. Impala's cool. GMC RV. Treasure Hunt. That one's cool. A lot of them are cool. Hard to choose. What's the favorite? Alright. As always, comment, like, and subscribe. And thank you for watching. Peace. I'm out.